and welcome to Ginger Welsh Allotments. I am Bethan and I've come back from 10 days away. I came back yesterday and I've got an awful lot to do around the plot. It seems like everything has exploded again and there's weeds everywhere. The actual vegetables themselves seem to have got a bit out of hand. The cucumbers are trailing everywhere. My Turk's turban has got powdery mildew and my courgettes look like they've got that mosaic virus. But I'm going to start off with my cucumbers today. I was over here harvesting this morning with my children and basically they've just got a bit out of hand and I just need to cut back the foliage so that I can actually see what's going on and see if there's any new cucumbers developing or whether I should just take the plants out now. So that's what I'm going to do now. Some of the cucumber leaves have got these brown patches on them. Now I think these are simply where the sun has burnt the leaf. I don't think that's a disease or anything nasty, so I can put this in my compost. But my powdery mildew on my Turk's turban cannot go in my compost. It'll have to go in the green compost that the council come and pick up. As usual, I have run out of time before I finished the job. I thought this job was going to take me about 45 minutes, but it looks like it's going to take me at least another half an hour. So I'm going to pack up and go home now as I need to go and make my children's dinner. So I'll show you how I'm getting on the next time I'm over here. Catch you later. Lovely job.